Hello everybody. Today is Tuesday, June 4th. It's 6:49 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's about 12:49 local time. You can see my computer clock on my right, and on my left is the time it sails. The E-mini S&P and after hours trading at 2808.75. So in the live trading video today of Jim's chart, I think he basically adapted a chart similar to this to the NASDAQ, which he trades off the open. Interestingly enough, this chart here, using the Step MA filter, traded off the open of the Eurex and went long, avoided getting whipsawed on these two red bars here because the Step MA kept it from trading and hit its goal in a single trade, and trading was done within 15 minutes. Now, I have been experimenting with various goals. On this one, I set it 1050. It was 1500 earlier, and so it's still trading two contracts. So basically, I'm looking for $525 a contract. That's not much in the DAX, but still very solid performance. We've seen this chart quite a bit. Okay, so this is a regular 5 Renko chart, and this is trading without the higher time frame, but using our line break logic. This is something new that I tried, and this did 987 for the day. The goal on this is 1,000, so just a tick of slippage. But notice taking the trades coinciding with line break signals. Really excellent trading here, drawing down only about $200. Okay, the crude on a 987 Heikin-Ashi tick chart had 2 trades back-to-back, no negative drawdown, and the goal on this I set back to 450, so this had pretty strong positive slippage on this burst of action here. Okay, the NASDAQ on a 150 Heikin-Ashi chart has a goal of 1550 and a loss limit of 1200, and this did 1770. This had excellent positive slippage. This is using a higher time frame filter of Super Renko 10 tick. Okay, the NASDAQ on a 5-minute chart, I actually watched this trade develop live, and this is using our opening range filter, and so we didn't get filled here. This is a limit order with a pullback of 20 ticks, which is quite a bit. Well, it's 4 points in the NASDAQ. So anyway, we missed getting filled here, but we did get filled here, and you can see where the NASDAQ basically took off after the 10 o'clock hour, and this caught that move. A very high goal on this, but nevertheless it went all the way to the close, exited the trade at about 1:20 Eastern Time, and went to the close and finished at 1480 on 2 contracts. Okay, the DAX on a 377 Heikin-Ashi chart I set to start trading at the open of the US session, and the goal on this is 1400. It just had a single trade and did 800 for the day, so still pretty good. The NASDAQ on a 987 Heikin-Ashi chart drew down only about $225 and then came back with these 2 winning trades and did 1120. The goal on this is 1025, so hit its goal with positive slippage. Okay, the NASDAQ on a 1597 Heikin-Ashi chart has a goal of 1050 and did 680 on 2 trades here. Okay, the E-mini S&P with a 60-minute higher time frame filter, trading 2 contracts with a goal of 750, finished at 837.50, so very good positive slippage, catching this move right here. Really excellent trade placement here. Okay, the ES on a Super Renko 6 tick that starts trading at 12:30 noon on this one. And this chart has been very impressive. The goal on this 750, trading 2 contracts, and it did 537 today. There was a loser to start, only drawing down about $50. This is also using our line break logic, and just very impressed with this chart. It's been very solid and consistent. Okay, the ES on a Super Renko 4 tick with the Super Renko 2 tick is the other time frame. This has a goal of 350 and had excellent positive slippage on 2 trades. Okay, the crude oil on a Superenco 7-tick chart, trading a single contract with a goal of 500. Came up just shy of its goal. Looked like it made an equity high of about 400 and finished at 370. The E-mini S&P on a 1597 Heikin-Ashi chart had a single trade and did 350. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.